Hey guys, my name is Mike, and this is A Digital Life, and my goal on this channel is to help you find the right phone, case, and face to fit your life and style. And today, we're going to be reinstalling a screen protector. We're going to be mixing it up a little bit with these two right here. So we have a Whitestone dome tray, and we have AmFilm glass. We're also going to be using Whitestone dome glue with the AmFilm glass. First things first, let's go ahead and get this glue peeled off, and then we'll get installing the screen protector. And stick around to the end, because I have to reinstall it a second time. Yeah, that's right, I mess up on the first one. Yeah, let's see what happens. This is the paper that you want to read before you do anything. These little stickers are very important. Make sure you use these. These go on the top, left, right, and bottom of the phone. So they want you to cover up the speakers and the buttons and all that stuff. This covers the speaker on the phone. The first time around, easy, do 1 click. Second time around, after you take it out of the installation tray, 2 clicks. And then one more time after that, 2 clicks. Got it? Pretty simple. And I want to go ahead and show you what the Armadillo Tech case did. I would say that it's not compatible with the skin. This is AmFilm, so I don't know if this is going to fit inside the tray for Whitestone dome, but I want to show you guys that you can do it, but the manufacturer says that you can't. So you're supposed to flip this over like this and take it off, but I like to be able to see what I'm doing. I assume that you're supposed to flip it over because they don't want glass shards flying in your eyes. That'd be very bad. If you had a broken screen protector that you were trying to take off, I would say go ahead and flip that over to take that off. Actually, what I would do also, put some tape over your display. White tape, duct tape, doesn't really matter what kind of tape as long as it's strong enough to hold onto the glass while you're pulling it away. I got Dbrand, and when I went to go pull it off like this, it just broke free, almost like there was no adhesive on it at all. And the inside of the Dbrand glass was like this, like there was no glue on it at all. This is tacky. You can see it'll stick to my finger. When you take Whitestone dome off, when you take AmFilm off, no residue on the display. There is a piece of plastic right here to hold it together, so you can pull it down just like that, and it'll expose the glass that's underneath. You want to keep this plastic on here. I start in the corner like this and just kind of work my way down. You have to be careful though, because if you're pushing on it like this, if you're pushing down with your fingers like this in the middle and pulling down like that, it's most likely going to crack your glass. All right, well, here goes nothing. Alright, so once you get down to that layer, the alcohol swab is better than using your finger because I could feel it starting to separate my fingertip from my nail. So I had to stop doing that real quick. So I'm going to go ahead and go wash this with soap and water. It's nice and wet still. I'm going to go ahead and try to dry it off and get it as clean as possible. On AmFilm, you're going to notice some little bumps right here around where the fingerprint sensor is going to be and on the corners. Now the only problem is right there on the bottom, you can see it's starting to peel up a little bit. I think that's okay. And in the top right here, just a little. As long as it's not scratched or peeling up in the middle, I think we're doing pretty good. By the way, go ahead and turn off your phone. Again, check for any dust. If you guys see any bubbles in the adhesive, make sure you pop those before you move on, because the bubble will not disappear. It'll stay. So I'm going to take this off. I'm going to pull it right now because the adhesive has a bubble in it. When I set it down, it's slammed. I'm going to go ahead and lift that up. See if I can redo this. Just leave it alone, let it do its thing. got this glass back to new again. I've never had to do this before, so it's a new experience for me. Just a good thing that the phone is completely protected with tape. So I usually like to keep the glass a little bit further away from the top, so a little bit closer to the bottom, because one of my favorite cases, the OtterBox Defender, works out a little bit better if you pull it down from the top. So it's all around the camera and stuff, but what's nice is it pretty much stayed around the camera. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean that off real quick. This little tape didn't want to stop that onslaught of glue. Never have I had to do a cleanup like this. Now try this at your own risk. I honestly would recommend just buying a new screen protector when you have the money to do it. I don't know if this is worth it. I mean, you do what you gotta do. If you're desperate, you do what you gotta do. Put my finger right here and lay it there for 60 seconds. I don't know, swab 12, maybe? Swab 13, and 2 hours later. Alright, let's turn this thing on and see what we got going here. I'm gonna put my ear, and you can hear it too, next to the speaker to see if it makes noise, if it crackles. I don't know what's going on here. Oh, it didn't make any noise. We'll do a speaker test in a little bit. The install went good as far as the final product, but getting to this point, as you guys can see in the video, was a messy situation. And the one thing that I would have done different, that I should have done, was just take these bumpers out of here and then set them just on the sides next to the phone. That would have caught a little adhesive. All right, let's see what we got. It seems like it works okay. As long as I don't mess up the first time, just leave my finger there. So honestly, I would say it works. If I don't try to do it too fast, we're good. Let's go ahead and do a sound test. Let's see if the volume rocker works. It's the bottom speaker, top speaker. There's a little bit of rasp on both bottom and top, but I'm pretty sure that's the song. Let's try the other one. Let's try another song. This one sounds pretty clear. The phone smells nasty. Smells like glue. So, yeah, guys, I think it works. By the way, there's going to be a link to this music down in the description, and this is actually called Epidemic Sound, and the reason I can play this is because they're royalty-free music, and if you guys happen to like this music and you guys want to get some music like this for yourself, you can get copyright-free music that you can use in your videos. Yeah, click that link that I have down in the description, and it will take you to a free month, and what happens is I get a free month as well if you sign up. So yeah, it's a win-win for both of us, and you get to try it out for free. Alright guys, I say this install was a success. I think that it went pretty well. You can use a Whitestone dome tray. Technically you can, but you just can't use the whole thing, which is a little bit dangerous. This is the top portion of Armadillo Tech, and this is basically the part that would press on the screen protector and it fits. I recommend Armadillo Tech. It's a really good brand, and I really can't see very many, if any, imperfections on this glass. I think it's great. I think it looks good. So what do you guys think? The install went well. Thank you for watching. Thank you for staying till the end. If you did, please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Click the little bell icon to the right of the subscribe button. You'll be notified for future videos like this one in the future. What do you guys think? Did I succeed? Was this a success? Did taking 2 hours make you not want to try this? Because it took me 2 hours, and this is not the first time I've installed a screen protector like this. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Hopefully this helps, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.